Mbadi Mandingkol ana kang moy lal ntelem aldingo Raki Diallo ntele balen jang Fine TV Gambia nga brego soto nung amesa nak almost a year mon programme soto but it was due to constraints and reasons beyond my control and the staff of Fine TV's control. So mbal hakadani la doro bari inshallah programme nying abe continuer la katum karanko nka wole kacha nyim programme karanko dum amu kuleti mi yalon ko kuma yata bake nka kacha nka nyo hakil tuwa ala kuwoto nka nyo hakil bulanda ala kuwoto fo mol kana nyina mol kana mbulo bula karango la kuwala katum karango kuma yata atele ba banko sambala nyaata nga fo ma fo karango le minti fenti mi yalon ko ni nga muta e bambang lafta tala damin asen samba je tariyake katum karango sifa siyata karango ala sifa siyata karango ala kumaya fana warata so ala kumaya min aya kumaya walatina nim programme onu wulitano pour que katumol tulo kono katumol nyumol nyala ka fo karango la kumaya wobe pour moli karango buta ay kumaya akumaya ta nyame so walatina nim programme o nga wulindinu bari wati sita mantara ke kanno bari saji alhamdulillah anu ngawulindi nyamin fanan ngawulindi anin sembola katu ngawulindi anin dingola mi yalonko ay nkawo jamfandi bake was la kola West African examination la kola mi yalonko grade 12 fol le ka examination oke ni West Africa tundo bele kake kata Ghana kata Nigeria Sierra Leone tol bele kake Gambia da mante English speaking countries in West Africa sa nin tol be ñoo seyake karangola sa in tol la Gambia dingo wonata ay performance ke mi yalon ko is an outstanding one mi yalon ko mo be bala ko foka ntol fango Gambia dingo mi yalon ko ntol fango dingo lang ato muswadu leti a konton mu jammeti ntol be kontanta la ko la fo nko nyin ta mabono la nga tudde di ngala ko la te fon sa fintindi afana yala experience o share mi yalon ko a jartala pour moli yalla moy pour moli yalon ate milke ay kul mil taki fo kana futa ñing levulo min to mi yalon ko tol be fela nga kontano ke ala ko ka ñing performance so to 9 A's in was grade 12 bobu kulete mi yalon ko asembo warta bake ala kontano fana warta so walatina na kontan ba so to bi ka swadu nati Fine TV Gambia pour ay diamo ke mbadin la moy lal ana ani jiber lal min ka Fine TV jibe Gambia ani Gambia bantala pour ay first hand information o di yalla ate mo jumalati ana ay min ke fay nyim performance o dindi swadu bari ngol konto
assalamu alaikum badum Gambiano aldingolong swadu jamme ndemu tujeren kolete
swadu buta tujeren ne swadu mustude no lati mi yalon ko ay performance o soto mi yalon ko betiata bake as nga fale nyami sanyi na interview bi pour kalong nga angale ko leke na sura ko ke sain nata manika ko pour kalong swadu ay mine ke fay ñing straight A soto A in every subject mashallah swadu can you share that
nte kata mo mi yalon ko karango adiyata nyebake faka pare mbamani fama fana yemma ko e bake be ala tentula fana mba jeyla kantung I believe that kafe ngofen soto bi ala latin so mbe ala tentu lambaje aning bama nawulula alfana
so kuma do bije mi yalon ko nga kacha in English fanan wolen ko yake nyaadile katum wo fanan akuma yata pour jibe lal yalon ka nyim performance fa soto amanke ko yi sile dorong ndi mustude no ti ya soto de ike kule ke mi yalon ko mimbe sabula ni performance fa so so ite muneke ko ni performance o
nte for study bade study tale wa ala yalo study tale ba ke ani jang MDI ngalong cafeteria mall je ma fa yen sutele kanton nka travel from tujeren to jang pour ngana study ko ka pare mba mani fama fana yemma ko ba ke fon so studying aning na teacher fanam betentula na teacher so fongeten kantung they played a huge role, a
yeah.
very big role in
In
my
your
development
career.
and in my academic journey.
Yeah.
So mbe wol fanan tentu lambe jeyla.
Sure.
Kantung ibe dawo da ibe mol makoy kanne pour bi enahno
Ha.
pour na fenko na karango se
Ha. Ila achievement o finti.
ha pour ay fintino.
Olam tical fana la rolo fana kumayata je.
Ha.
Wala na nyim programme institution educational development. Sometimes ka tical fana nati pour mol yela kumaya fana long. Yalo nyimu fenedi karango mo bele ka muta. We have stakeholders in it. Student no bijele, tical bije, ululal bije, and all whatnot. So wolen ko we are partners in it. Tical fanang ba folen ko swadu la tical anin tical be mil be Gambia. Ba folen ko ya baraka. Because it all fanang nyela kata koje. Tica ya mang yomba amang easy. Ya fongole ma easy tol be mu tical leti ngalo ne min bije. Sacrifice jamali bije wo be kala fi tica dama ticalem profession timi yalan ko. Ite bakang ibela feeling ibela ila student no way down. In teaching, ite bala feeling you take pride in case kila student oje they go to higher heights. Ite be dami. Ila teachers will be they all proud. You know it or not, they interact with you or not. They're all proud to have produced somebody like Swado. Me, I take pride in my students. I tell everybody. Tell a student no, wala mun tell a family. I call them my family because I've been teaching since I was 19. So I grew up with them. I was a teacher when some of my students were already older than me. Yeah. So I grew up with my students. So KJ, dol bije bi wolketa loyalty, dol bije wolketa doctoralty, dol bije wolketa nurseolty, dol bije wolketa mokumalty Gambia jang. I take pride in them. Nkafuko nyimuna student olty no. Sometimes nim do se ben safuko. Safo yenko. Nte nyin karande safo nyete nyin karande min tole. Ni ajibe yen jibe. Don't see me like this, small like this. Mfana nyin karande le. So the life of a teacher lebo nyama. We take pride in the achievement of our students. So student all like teachers all la kumaya ite fele ya do liggéey nte lafta ñi la no ban adu teachers all je ye ma koy baake kake imu minti bi so ma fokan teachers all fana mil ya lon ko kabrin ila nursery school foy la primary foy la upper basic foy la high school inite interacta they put something in you ba folen a baraka because alla student no fele bi ali min be ka ateto afinti tale anda keto fenni mi ya lon ko Gambia be la kontano la amanke altol dama la kontano to bari tol be kontantal la ko lambe duwala len alma albe min be nyini kal fanal ya so ka ti ama yobba ama easy bari alma be sone ya inshallah
ante ni senso dama ente karanta nganna nursery school ke tanjele tanje CCF nganna primary school ke Dipalef grade 7 to 12 na junior ning senior school ngake Methodist Academy and throughout ngati chal min soto be keta mo ken dolle ye muta koy dingol mo jama most of them can commanding dingole
thank you
yemma koy baake kan advice amante pour nga na sindi en karandi nga se amante wodamma 3/4 of my life nga school auto yem mutale koy dingol ikan advice not just my parents tol fana wala tena na teacher sol fana be tentulam be jeel ala baraka
tical kala fi dini so bere wala tical nindi ni sobe yata they like you naturally so you also be ya min jete to walatin they were always ready to help so but if you did not show that commitment it ma ko la fa because teachers all student siatale bari ba ibajira ko nying alafta ka karan nying alafta nyine la nying ay aim so to nying alafta karan wala baki so ninga nyim ma ko nyimbe tala so teacher ya bo le nyama most of the time students all me alon ko ila sakaran wala bake ka teacher sol la friend okay it's natural the student all me alon ko smarter naturally I build friendship with them because nkaje ko nying she knows why she is here or he knows why he is here so I have both male and female former students of mine that are still close to me because imu mollete mi alon ko sobe yata ibe ka karango kan and then ila karango muta ila bulutan nim fulola so wo mba fola teacher solen ala baraka so adu fela ala teacher sol ala school ol be to fo jang mi yalon ko a jarta je kabri nursery to upper basic to primary to upper basic to high school altol be you all did go to Swadu and that is what brought about this big achievement so ala baraka bake sani kuma do to doro ko mo sutiyandi kan time tata le sai ila grade 9 ila grade 9 ye street is la soto je fana asiyata jang dinigol mi yalon ko ke grade 9 sit yani kata grade 12 akatara sungut ya don tela so abe kuma yala yela experience ya yani la jibe lal mi yalon ko ye sunguru ningol soto so kono o sunguru ningol fangol mi be jibe kan pour ye inspiration ota ite ya kapu ko musunguru ningol tin sa sungut ya keno anyhow it does not yield good sometimes sai wo ibe mune soto la ka fo je katu ite ila grade 9 yep performance min soto ya try le ye wo maintain ila grade 12 fana wo is very rare to see
comme sunkutun wal mi be suwo kono lafta kamin faare wala ko pour nga dolbet daminte be age minto karango wala kumayata ka fengol post Instagram or TikTok ka video jibe obe you will always have the time to do that right now ye karang ye isela kantung Gambia la nyato ta karang wala leba kela no amande ke fango post ka dong internet to o sunkuti ya there is always a time for that ni wo sita isa keno saying na karang wala nte min believe volon ko na karang wala be Gambia sambala no nyato so that should be our priority so lafta nga si nga karang nga lang fango wala fana of is okumaya bata
kumaya bake katu wo akumaya bake katu karango fango la kumaya wo kay mo buka fono yaba karang kumaya ta ni man karang ibuka long bani karante ka karang la kumaya long katu to be an illiterate is very very expensive wo kay is very very expensive and it's a lifelong retardation for you it's like and it's like a handicap it's like a deficiency it's like a disease ka karang wole kumaya ta katu ni karanta akita nyawonya karang wo sifa akita min de métier wolem bang karang wolem arab lem bang karang wolem english lem bang karang wolem french lem bang ay ke fenti li yalon ko abe nafala na ye nafa dro ibalo ko karang kumaya ta so wo kay niafo is an understatement kumaya ta bake pour gal sol yela ko moy ko ni social media abi janne dron but it's not something that will help you in any way abi jele pour que socialization is good but it also has a negative impact so like a negative impact nying kana song ay distract from our ultimate goal atun golo momenti wala ko dindi ya karang watu wala ngoti dindi ya kay wala karang wati bari dindi ya yeta rakeba yala din keba ya wato sitabe kala nyaadi wo mu personal wala na swadu ko al yalla bugol mutabulu tanding fulola social media TikTok YouTube karab Instagram wobi kanale wobi kanale after abuka tambi bari karango wala watu le bal so na la watu tambita pour ye karango ke aba kol yalla baake so wala tinna aba ako ala badi sunkuru ni ngol yen ko hani mil ba grade 1 hani mil ba grade 7 hani mil kata grade 9 mil kata grade 12 yela karango mutabulu tanding fulola especially sunkuru ni ngol yela karang katun sungurun ningol sa idea of more disadvantage katun mafakan disadvantage wulen ko it will easily distracted katun distractional siata pour mimbe sungurun ningol distract la siata bak mimbe ibondi lay noto asiata bak so pour alkana song woyal distract kanal bondal noto aliya try aliya la karang mutabutani flola ni life ni wobuka bang ni sango jam fata life te banna ibe life kala yela TikTok wol ke yela YouTube wol ke yela Instagram wol ke yela natal wol ke ye dongol ke ye music wol ke bari karango watu le bal pour al yalla watu diala na watu tambita aya tara karango bal bulo kono mi yalla ko abal nafala aya la wulal nafa aya la banko nafa wol fango ko maya sani wo is very very paramount swadu janimba kum fala ila wululal ye role soto ila karango la kumayala ila achievement to sani mela fla ye demanding fo je yalon ko ila wululal ye mako nyaadile katun ite ila fta karango la bari ila wululal fanan they play the role in your achievement so ye role min play ila achievement to ibe mo fala je
nte wo nawululal mbe tentula mbe jayla
yeah
kantung ibe dawada ibe la dingol la ñatota ibe wala to ibe wala noma so nte mbamani fama keta mo min ya lon ko karango adiyate baake kantung ya nafalon imo fulo be mo engineer wala tene be dawada ka fam tol idingol le ko ala karang muta bulu tam fulo al karang kantung karang wala leba tinna la fayeta ñaato karang wala be Gambia sambala ñaato so mbe dawada ibe ma koy kan na school fees ka jo on time yemi min soto ika invest na karang wala so wala tinna mbe dawada mbe na wulula tentula mbe jayal
wo kuma ya tabake wala nga jema pour aya abama na fama ke tentu ay jay kadung suwadu yemi soto ten wulula kendo wala katina dingo yin soto ni wulula kende ya dron dingol ka kende yalla so investment wala mi yalon ko iba kele dingo to mi yalon ko sama sinin iba jela ay finti andina findita abe kele kontan ko wolti abe kele sati be kontan ko ay ki Gambia be kontan ko wala nata ke suwadu la kes la Mr and Mrs Jammeh ya traile ya guide ya coach ya silo itandala ya hanyindi karangola ya hanyindi kulla mi yalon ko abakan akati abama na fama dino anin karango ya londi wala naman ke wuti anin discipline naman ke wuti they are not in line with it so wala suwadu ke suwadu tebbi mi yalon ko mobe ba to fokan suwadu mashallah nga duwayen dorong ala ya makoy ala to futala damin ay futaye bari wulala kende ya fanan ay role play ye ka dum wululal itolle ka tinna idingol yake kuti kadum bi diningol ni yetu i nyama dorong elafta minna yake isena dun kuta mi yalon ko e manyan ka dunje isena kuke mi yalon ko e manyan kake isena tadula mi yalon ko e manyan ka taje bari ni wulula soto mi yalon ko aba folen ko nyina ibe nyina kala ibe nyina tulaje nande nadi ni mo fana keta moti mi yalon ko kala moy loke wala ka nyi sifal sabu dini mo fela sañ masha Allah ay la examo ke ay grade 12 ke ay straight A soto afele sañi akata university le mobe lafto wala ke dingol je kata university katum straight A ni wo soto mine be balla tala university scholarship le ke tenyini te buka scholarship ni straight A soto scholarship ke tenyini le ekata scholarship di mit maleje ikata lari ngele katum everybody will be ready to sponsor you but ni karangota ya haphazard ke wuka ke problem multi so wala nan na karango ngata nga kumayandi ina way mi yalon ko nga ke suwadu tik mbe ke suwadu tik dal nte dal mbogole foka dinni ngo sunkuru ningol bi ndala jena ba dintata bi mafla ne ka nga suwadu jela nga suwadu la talo itan dal sa fay ko bitum suwadu fele ko lafte ke suwadu to mati okay so pour ka kum faadon suwadu ibe yamar le soto la mi yalon ko ibe gasol yamar la minna mi yalon ko ibe jibe kan ani they got inspired by your performance so ibe mu yamar le soto la gasol school going girls
so lafta kamin fare wala o nga fanya min dorong nakara nga muta mbulu tanin fulol karang wala be Gambia sambala no nyaato de andu motinala hani mota bola nam banta por kanan na Gambia da damol foga pare sama ifanam bekela wululal ilaftale pour idingol isa jibe itato safo ko mbama muninne to mbama ne fana laftale ko mbama wante ko yeta modol jibe banta pour ka will use as an inspiration so nga karango muta dino fanan kana nyinala kantung mingo min nin dunia to yefe ngo fen sote ala ima ala soto abuka ima hani fen soto so lafta ko al karango mutal bulutan en fulola sunkuti ya bukatam so right now the time momento karango is the most important thing so ngawo muta
mashallah ko ya suwadu la yamaro mayle ako ali alla karango muta bulutan en fulola mi yalan ko wole kumayata wole balla al sambala nyato e banko samba nyato anin fanan kom nal tata fanal ke bayata alfana se keno role model ti as a no as role model to your kids. Sa musola karang kumayata wala nyam. Kato ngo ni tata foni ke bayata. Ifana yela on dimon soto. Iba jelale ko mbama de karang nala. Anala tanga karang. So jani tebe example tala bantala. Ite example soto bongkon. So wala tina musola karang kumayata bake. Mabo ke wala karang man kumay. Wo important tale fa barita. Fo wo belarin. Musola karang wala kumaya. Me wala emphasize kandaro so that girls will milk and give school going girls especially. It's an inspirational drive no from Swadu. You had her from the horse's mouth. Ako sungkuti ya buka tambi. Ako ati tambila. Kuya sungkuti yake. But for now, me along ko ibe school going age. Ila karama muta. Ila bulutan yung fulola. Ibe minyinika. Kaya sa soto. Ibe minyinika. Fase yomba. Karo ni one thing. Ning karama tije. Excuse me. Ning karama tije. Kuwa dol bije abuka yomba comme ila stala nyami kana ko kolyal bari bit karamo kuwa dol bije aka yombale aka easily very easily accessible so walatin na karamo kumayata so ka kumfa dorong we are switching back to the English language. It's been a pleasure having you on our platform Swadu Jammeh. It's been a big pride to sit with you, to have this lengthy discussion with you, to grant us the interview that we requested from you, and then we say a big thank you to your parents for allowing you. In fact, her mom drove her to the venue of the interview. That alone shows the support that her parents have for her, because it's not every parent that will be disinterested in the welfare of their kid. They would have given her fares and tell her go, but she took her time to drive her to the venue, and she's waiting, patiently waiting, keenly waiting, take her back home. That is it's in itself a learning point for me as a parent to show commitment in the welfare of your children. Every parent should emulate her parents in showing maximum interest in the welfare of their children. We've come to the tail end of our program. This is on educational development. It's been a big pleasure, as I said, having Swadu Jammeh on the platform today, the overall best student of the WAS examination 2024, and we hope to see a lot of Swadu Jammehs in the Gambia. Let this be the beginning of so many straight A's, so many in the future. We will be so happy and glad to celebrate a lot more big achievements like say they. Before we conclude Swadu, we would like to know if you have any words of gratitude, any people that you would like to thank before we say a final goodbye.
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty Allah, because without Him, nothing would have been possible. He has been with me throughout my journey. So I want to say Alhamdulillah. And also, I want to extend a heartfelt gratitude to my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jammeh, for always being there for me, for creating a nurturing environment for me to grow as a person, as a student. Thank you to them. And also to my teachers at Gambia Methodist Academy and Deeper Life. Thank you. And to everybody who has supported my academic journey. And also to Trust Bank, because since grade 7 they have been supporting me. They have been supporting me. They have given me incentives.
Trust Bank.
Yes, since grade 7. Grade 7 they opened an account for me because I was the overall best. The same thing in grade 9 and now in grade 12. So thank you, Trust Bank, for being the nation's bank. I am grateful.
This is a big thing, and it's something that we need to commend them for, so that other organizations, other participants can emulate them. Like Trust Bank is not the only bank in the Gambia, but them coming up and then cheering you on right from grade 7 and supporting you financially is a big thing, and it's a big thing for us to commend them for. We say a big thank you on behalf of Swadu's family and on behalf of the whole entire Gambia, because you are doing it for all of us. If we had our way, we would have all done our quota. If we had our way, we would have supported you too, to the maximum limit, to the highest of heights. And we wish you all the best in your endeavor. So that being said, I'll also do my own little quota of giving you my copies, the copies of my books. I would like you to read them at your leisure time, because you told me privately at your leisure time you do a lot of reading.
Reading.
We are giving you, I'm giving you the copies,
Thank
two
you.
of my books, for you to read. I have upcoming ones too. When they come out, I'll give them to you free. That is my
Thank
donation.
you. Thank you so much.
That
I
is my little
appreciate
way
it.
of supporting your education, because I like girls that are doing well.
Thank
So,
you.
and these are books that are girl inspirational stories. So they're all on girl. They tell me you only write about girls. Yeah, I don't mind writing about girls. I like to see girls propel. I like to see girls excel. I like to see women win. Yeah, we are all winners in this. When we win, our men will also win. When girls are empowered, we are partners in development. So our men will also have it easy. Because when we come up with what we have and they come up with what we have, then we can push the nation forward.
Yes.
Inshallah. So we say a big thank you to our esteemed viewers in the Gambia and outside, whosoever is a keen follower of Fine TV Gambia. People have been asking me, what happened to the program? You postponed it. Here is it now. And we say a big thank you to everybody for having the keen interest of hearing from Fine TV and following Fine TV. We've seen the support. We appreciate the support. Till we come your way some other day. It's a goodbye from I and Swado. Bye-bye.